Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Legit Scoop Updates. So on today's video, I'm going to share with you guys on how you can get your key easily. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys the trick that I use to get my keys every day. Okay, so for you to get started, you have to come straight to your mini game app. So let's go there right now. Right now, can you see that I have received this arrow over here? Okay, can you see that I have received this arrow over here? Okay, this is to show you that you have received your key code. Okay, so can you see that I get it easy? Okay, so this is how I get it, but there are still many steps that you have to follow to get it. Okay, so don't skip any part of this video, so that I will show you how you can get up to 10 keys in a day. Okay, more than 10 keys. Okay, so once you open it, then you're going to see that they show you to play one game. So this first game you must play it. Okay, so you must play the first game to start. So we are going to click on hold accelerate. Okay, click on it, then we are going to start the game. Okay, so let's play this game. Okay, as you're watching this video, make sure you watch it to the end, so that you understand everything as how I do it. Okay, so just simple thing, just have to play the first game like this. Okay, so we are at the end. So right now, so the game is end right now. So you claim your coins. Okay, so after that, they are going to locate this place over here. This is the main place, you don't need to miss. Okay, so I'm going to locate this place over here. Here, this is the main place you are going to click, so that you are going to get your key. But I will show you how you can do it. Okay, so don't miss any part, because you are going to miss everything if you miss any part. Okay, so after playing the first game, you are going to click on this on here. So you're going to click on here and you are going to watch ad. So let's click on it. Okay, follow this video to the end, so that you can understand this as well. So let's click on it.
Did you know that everyone is using yellow card? Yes.
Then right now I'm watching this ad. Okay,
Don't sleep on this. Sign up on yellow card now, or log in today to start enjoying instant stablecoin trade.
so the ad has finished playing. Okay, so right now, as you can see that there is nothing here, so there is nothing to show here. Okay, so as you can see that there is nothing here, then you are going to still click here, click over here again. So right now you are going to be clicking right over here, so that you can get it. Okay, this is the main point. Okay, so as you can see that there is nothing over here, because and we have watched the first ad. Okay, so you are going to click on here second times, so that you are going to watch the ad. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch another ad. Okay, this is another ad now, another ad. So as you're watching it, let me use this opportunity to tell you that if you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also comment what you like on this video. Okay, so let's go. So the second card has finished. Okay, so let's continue. So over here you can see that the thing still never show up right here. Okay, but we are not going to skip. Okay, we will keep going. So open this key right here and select it. Okay, right now let's click on here again. You will keep clicking there until you get the key. Okay, so I have to click here again, so I will continue to click over here till I get the key over here. So let's go ahead let's go ahead.
Want a quick loan? Here's how to do it. Step 1. Download the Fair Money app.
So right now,
Still can't find and build meaningful connections with people in your
this one
area.
has
You may
finished.
find
So
good
let's
friends
continue.
or a song.
Okay, right now, can you see that I have received this arrow over here? Okay, can you see that I have received this arrow over here? Okay, this is to show you that you have received your key code. Okay, so can you see that I get it easy? Okay, so this is how I get it, but there are still many steps that you have to follow to get it. Okay, so don't skip any part of this video, so that I will show you how you can get up to 10 key in a day. Okay, more than 10 keys. Okay, so you are going to click on it and copy it right now. So once you copy it, you are going to paste it to your hamster account so that you can receive the key. So let's go ahead. So you are going to move to your hamster combat and paste it. So let me go straight and paste it. So let's go straight and paste the key over here. Okay, so right now the key has successfully entered. So right now let me continue with the game. Let me tell you the next thing you are going to do, because if you don't do this one, you are not going to receive another key. Okay, you are not going to receive any other key. Okay, so just follow up. So let's go back to the game. So right now the next thing you are going to do is you don't have to play the game anymore for you to get it easy again. Okay, you don't have to play the game anymore. So what you are going to do now is to close the game right now. Let me close the game. Close the game. Can you see that I have closed the game? So let me look for the game right now. Okay, so this is the game on my phone. This is the game. Let me show you. This is the game over here. This is the game. So look carefully to know what I will do right now. Okay, so just be careful and see what I will do right now. So right now we are going to long press on the game. Okay, we're going to long press, so like this. So we are going to see something like this. I want to see something like app info, or we are going to, you might see your own like just like this, just like this thing over here. Okay, so once you see it like this, you are going to click on it. Then it will take you over to this place, to the setting of the app. So we are going to locate storage and cache. Okay, locate it over here. Then as you can see, we are going to clear the cache first. Clear the cache. Then the second, we are going to clear the storage. So you clear the storage. So you are done for that one. So you go back again and start it afresh. So if you follow this step, I'm very sure that you are going to get as many keys as you can. Okay, so just keep watching this video. Okay, so right now can you see that the game has started afresh? So we are going to play the game again. So play the first game. We must play the first game to start. So let's click on it and play it. So let's play the first game. It's not a must that you win the game. Just play it and continue your work. Okay, right now. So let's just go. Okay, so right now let's continue as the game has finished. Okay, right now can you see that everything has started afresh? can you see that everything has started afresh? So can you remember what I told you before? So right now, the next thing I'm going to do is the same thing we did on the last one. Okay, so for you to come right here and say click over here, click over this one. Okay, once you click on it, then you are going to watch ad. Okay, you're going to watch some ad. So about 5 times. Once you watch the ad about 4 to 5 times, then you're going to receive the key. Just 5 times or 4. You must watch 3 itself. Okay, so let's click on it. So right now the ad is what is playing, but I will pause it and continue. So right now the ad has finished playing. Okay, so let's continue. So over here, they are going to receive this, and you drag it here. So you keep going. Okay, you keep going by clicking here, by clicking over here. Okay, click here again, then we watch another ad right now. Okay, so this one is the second ad I'm watching on this new game, right? The new key, I mean. This is the second card. Okay, the ad has finished, so let's continue. Okay, right now can you see? Show this, they are going to drag it, then after that we keep going again by clicking on here. Okay, so we go again.
Wait a second, I thought you had an Android. How does it look like an iPhone?
I just use Control Center Simple.
With Control Center Simple, you can get rid of...
So over here right now, the ad has finished. So let's continue. Okay, continue, drag it, then continue. So you are going to click on here till you get the key. This is about the 3rd time you are watching the ad. Okay, so let's go again. So let's go again over here. Okay, you click on here.
This is everything you need to know about the Eternal Siege Mythic Ghost set. First off, it will cost you 17,200 COD points to get the full up, but here's the cool part.
So
From
right
here,
now
you
the
can now
ad
upgrade the
has
set
finished.
to
So let's
unlock...
continue. Okay, let's continue. Okay. So you click over here again. Click over here again. Okay. Then I'm going to continue.
Nothing to lose.
So the ad is about to finish. So the ad has completed. So okay, so can you see that this thing has appeared over here again? So you have to look at it over here. Can you see that I have got another one? This is the second one I'm getting it. Okay, and that is the easy step I'm giving you. If you know that you are not understanding this well, let me see your comments below so that I will know how I will do another video. Okay, so just comment whether you get it correct or you did not get it, and for you to get more updates about this, you can also join my WhatsApp group using the link on the bio. Okay, or you are going to join my Telegram from the bio. Okay, so let's copy it again and continue to the Telegram. Okay, so let's paste this and get our key. So this is the second key code we are pasting over here. Let's paste it and redeem. Can you see success? So that is it. My key has gotten to 30. This is where my key is right now. So if you want me to continue, or if you did not get it correct, I can show you everything. I can do another video about this to make you understand it well. But if you understand this on this video, then you are good to go. Okay, so just follow the instruction and get your key completed every day. Okay, so and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. So the only way to support right now is to subscribe to my channel so that I will get more viewers. Okay, so that is it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Facebook. Okay, if you're watching from Facebook, make sure you follow me and also like my videos.